Hello. It is I. I know, shocking. I still look disheveled. Who'd have thought? It has been 6 months since I last gave any kind of a substantial update. Between my job, my new, much longer commute, and various other lovely obstacles that life has thrown my way, I have had to put ceiling fans in general and associatively this channel on hold. Progress is definitely still being made, as you can tell. I'm in the finished studio. There's still some little stuff that needs to get worked on, but you know, it's a usable space now. I would not have been able to get here without all of the help that I got from my grandma and grandpa. The three of us struggled through this entire process. And while, you know, the end result isn't professional grade by any means, it means the world to have had their help with it. And it fills me with pride every time I come in here knowing that we were the ones that did it. I admit I didn't film nearly enough of the process of building the space. We got to a point where we were just wanting to be done. But I do have some pictures and some clips to share with you, and I hope you enjoy watching a kind of fast forward zoom through of the last 6 months. Hello, long time no see. I've been not really great at updating this, but I just wanted to show you some progress on the new shop. Just finished framing today, but I'll give you the general tour. So this is the door where you come in from the outside. And you come in, there's going to be this hallway. And then this will be finished off and be my actual filming studio / my office. That'll be a closet. And then through here will be a door. And then this will be my workshop. So yeah.
Your bottom one, do it on the
Wanted to give y'all an update. Down here we have the hallway, sheetrocked. And then we just got up some more boards in this corner. We have the ceiling almost done except for that little piece. And then today we got doors, so we got this door in, and that door needs to go in still, but it is coming together. I really hate drywall. Hello, I know it's been a while. I've been very busy and life has been chaotic, but new studio I'm in right now. We got lots of progress. It's not perfect, but it's mine. And you know, things can be fixed down the road. But yeah, here's a little peek at what we're looking at right now. All right, so right here is where you come in from the outside. Breaker panel. Gonna put the Emerson Northwinds here. Have a little Casablanca 4-speed fan switch for it. And then you go down this way into the room. And this is the drywall for the inside of the closet. And out here is the unfinished space, which we have not really started on yet. And there's a closet. Again, sorry for being radio silent, but yeah, thank you for bearing with me. And hopefully very, very soon we will get back to our regularly scheduled programming. Here is the fan I'm just going to put up in the hallway right now. Sorry, I'm not going to film it. I don't feel like going to get my tripod. Come on. It ain't pretty, but they're all in. Welcome back to the present. I'm gonna give you a quick little tour of where everything is at now. So, okay, coming in the door, we have the hallway, which leads into the main space. I have my desk set up. I have a new chair that came yesterday. I just need to put that together because this one did not survive the project. And I just need to clean and organize this junk and get a couch to put here. And then I will be able to have friends and family over to play games and do fun stuff out here. This is where I will be filming. And then out here. All of the fans are here. And it is a mess right now. So I am gonna have to, unfortunately, go through and get rid of more of them. But they are here. And as far as actually finishing the storage space, really all it needs is some kitchen cabinets that I'm gonna get for storing most of the stuff that is out and about in that half of the garage. But once all of that is taken care of, then hopefully it'll be a little better. We shall see. But yeah, thank you again for sticking with me. And sorry again for the radio silence. But hopefully that will be, fingers crossed, coming to an end very soon. Yeah, and I look forward to creating new content for you guys.